Hi guys!
For today's video, hindi mag-isakan dyan.
Ay, sorry bro. English yun. Ako naman. This is kago ko pang sa imong fan.
Hi guys, I've seen a block. That means there's a chest. I'm playing with my cousin Sean. He's a YouTuber too. I just happened to video because I'm a new YouTuber. Oh, I see. I got a good stuff.
Waka na kita reballer. Shout out to the Philippines there, bro.
Yeah, shout out. I'm with my cousin.
Shout out to the Canada and America there.
Yeah.
Welcome to the channel.
Welcome to our channel. Whoa, bro.
Sorry guys, it's so nice because a child is singing.
The map is funded, so where is 20? So I'm gonna like this. Oh, where's my cousin? He's cutting tree.
Kapatay to
He's cutting a tree.
I'm lagging, bro. What the fudge?
Don't say a word.
Wood.
I'm gonna
Craft it. Wood.
I'm gonna get some food to eat because I am out of hunger. I'm gonna eat it, guys. Oh, you find the chest, guys.
I found the chest. Oh, revolver!
Found the chest. So I am gonna go there too. To loot. I'm lagging, bro. I am just lagging.
Revolver, mon. What the hell? About 24 revolver.
Wow, the revolver's good.
Oh, my tent. Counting my tent.
Sean, you want flashlight?
No.
Where are you? I see you.
Kago mo lang kami.
You want flashlight?
Oh,
Okay, just take it.
good suck.
So you find a good set. Don't interact with me because I'm a penny chest. Uy,
Ball mo.
revolver. You want revolver? There's a flashlight, bro. Just get it.
Oh!
Just get it, bro. Whoa. We'll fight this. Bro, let's fight this. Bro, where are you?
Where are you, bro?
I'm fighting.
Kago!
There's a good chest.
Beer